I'm moving the refrigerator closer to the door because I was trying to get it to always stay on charge even when it's charging outside on solar. So I don't have enough extension cords I can't find. I don't know. This is what I have. So I just buy a laundry to have it sitting over there. But for now.
Now you're moving it?
Yep. So that let me just
Mama, the bin.
and it's a 3-plug, so I have plenty. I have extra 2-plug extension cord or 2. Yeah, whatever. All right, so it's like the refrigerator is officially in the kitchen. Now I guess I'm gonna have to. Oh man, and these are clean dishes. And I didn't want the clean dishes next to the dog.
House?
Yeah. Alright. So I'm moving the refrigerator right over next to the trash. Alright, so there it is, guys.
Mama,
The refrigerator next to the trash can.
What
What did I do that's funny? Let me try to see if I can. I might have to pop these screens, y'all. Make it closer. Because their pen will be ready, so they don't need to be on my porch anymore, so I can sit on my porch. So, right now, we got... So I only need 2. I don't need this one. But for this to work, it has to be in the always on, right? Oh my goodness, guys. Sit you right there. Yeah, but this type of outlet to work, one has to be there. Let's see if it's gonna work. Let's see if it's gonna work. Did the refrigerator come on? Does it say maxed out? Say watts going out is 6, which is charging. Oh, I didn't cut it on. Is this? That's on. All right. Are you still there? Let me see. That's all. Refrigerator came on, y'all. Let me see. It's pushing out 91. Look at this. Okay, 87, 86. It's at 100%, 3 hours to empty. I ain't got to worry about it going empty because I got plenty of sun. The refrigerator is on, guys. Finally. Hallelujah. Refrigerator is on. Heesh. Off grid. Now I can go finish doing the haul all that dirt, put it on the out there for the twins who are down there. All right, guys. Now Wanza on 40.